Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard dessert at home. Preheat oven to 325 degrees F and prepare 6 ramekins. I will guide you through simple steps to make a creamy custard using eggs, milk, sugar, and vanilla, explain tempering, and show how to bake in a water bath for best texture. Follow along for practical tips to avoid curdling and create a reliably delicious homemade dessert. We'll gather simple ingredients: 4 large eggs, 2 cups whole milk, 1/2 cup sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Use fresh eggs and whole milk for best texture and consider cream for extra richness. Measure carefully and warm the milk slowly so it doesn't scramble the eggs when combined. Having everything ready before you start keeps the process smooth and helps you finish without rushing or mistakes. Tempering eggs is key. Slowly whisk warm milk into beaten eggs to prevent scrambling and ensure a creamy texture. Strain the mixture for extra silkiness, then pour into ramekins and arrange in a water bath reaching 3/4 up the sides. Bake gently until the custards wobble in the center, then cool and chill fully. Top with caramel or fresh fruit just before serving for added flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.